Homo Bryn.
And Homo Mike.
Nice shirt.
Cheers, honey.
It's my shirt.
Bring it back.
Oh fuck's sake, Scott, call your mum.
No. She's just up there, just call her.
She's just up there.
Run to her.
Can you call your mum?
Oh, here, run up.
Run. Fucking...
Run! Just run!
Is it?
It's there. On there.
He's ran past it.
I'm so funny!
But you've all got the same face sunburn.
Look, I've even got some leg tan though.
Oh wait, I'm wearing PJs at the moment. I can't see it.
Oh no, I'm back. That was so funny.
I'm friend zoning you, Mike.
That's
the end of our relationship.
I pissed myself when you walked straight past it.
I ran straight past her, actually. After cleaning for the bike check later on, decided to come inside because those fucking flies are just the most annoying thing.
Don't judge me for my papers.
Yeah, I was about to quote on your fashion, like trainers,
Who's Brittany?
which match perfectly your Darth Vader pajama bottoms.
I'm tired, right?
And it's summer and you're wearing a fucking hoodie. And there's...
fucking peasant.
And I like the blue as a complementary colour to your red skin. Which, you know, yeah, and you have... Oh, no, stop. You've got mad tan lines.
On my head.
Oh, no, like sunburn lines. Yeah, like that.
So, bring this yours, by the way.
Oh, cheers.
Okay, I got a transition bike in medium. I got Superstar wheels and hub, along with single speed kit. I got on the front Mazoshi DJ1s, but they're broken. You listen to it.
Shit.
Like pretty much everything's on one of them. So if you're gonna get them, get newer models. Cause they're a bit crap, pretty much. These tyres, Tender Quad, are instant blow up tyres. Like I put an 80 PS. No, it says 80 PSI. I put in 70 and blow up on my back. So don't buy them. And I got Crazy Bob on the back, which are good, but they're a bit heavy. So if you're going for a light bike, you don't really get them. I got Z cranks and Shimano St pedals. Got some shitty C-posts, don't know where I got them from.
And stickers.
Yeah, I'm not actually sponsored by GT or Raceway
Just look like you are.
or DMR bikes. I got. Huh?
I forgot about the DMR one.
I got Core with bars and
Actually quite nice.
pretty good. I got Verse grips and they've given me mad blisters, so don't buy them. DMR stem and Shimano Dior brake. It's like a 2011 or 2012 in it.
12 I think.
It's a bit old, but yeah, that's my bike.
Awesome. The truth is, I don't know anything about my bike. I know that it's got specialised grips. I work from the top down. It's got Octane 1 handlebars, which, you know, I bought this bike how it was, apart from I got different, well, this crank, which was broken, which is different to that one, which is Shimano.
Yeah, different colours of it.
Yeah, and one's better than the other, and I don't like it. Nice
What later?
pedals.
Do you know what they are?
I don't even know what they are. VP 566. Yes.
Are they good? Do you like them?
I like them, but they are coming up, like the red's coming off, which I don't
Yeah.
like.
So VP 566 are good, but the paint wears off.
Do you like my rims, by the way?
They look good, but I'm not sure how good they actually are.
Okay. Yeah, everything on this bike, pretty much, other than that, is Octane 1, apart from these lovely forks here, which is some...
They instant bottom out forks.
Oh! I just washed my bike, that's horrible. The seals on them are incredible.
They're dead. Okay.
And
Anything
I'm
else?
a man of both brakes. I like to have both brakes. It gives me more control.
You like going with bars?
And also, I've got a nice blue dust guard here. See? Have a look. It's quite nice.
I'm loving your
Just
red
tap.
spacer there.
Oh, red spacer. This cost me £5 for a spacer. I just had to
That's
have something
worth
red.
more than your bike.
I had to have a red spacer which matched the pedals, otherwise it was just had red pedals. Oh, and the red reflector. There are different
God.
reds, I do realise.
Why haven't you taken that off yet? Mike, why haven't we smashed that yet?
No, you can't.
Go and get the hammer.
Where is it? Ow! Oh, that really hurt!
Don't hurt my bike.
Okay, I can't find it.
I have a Stanton DJ bike frame in black, as one can see. Halo Super Drive hubs on Spanx of rows with rims on DT Swiss spokes, which sound delightful.
Sharp.
Bonchard G1 Expert rear tyre, which soon to be replaced by tabletops on front and back, and that's my
Like.
mum's. Oh hey, it's banter. That's my mum's tyre.
You get a new one.
Circus Expert forks, which are delightful also. Eclat, something weird name cranks with fun something pedals,
They're pretty sick actually.
and an Odyssey something chain. Shimano SLX brake.
What
My mum's bars and stem, so they're not really relevant.
but what are
Eastern
they? Spank
device.
and
Right.
yeah. And you got an awesome seat cover.
Yeah. I got that for free. Don't touch me, bitch.
Sorry.
One more. Renthal grips are
Oh.
the best grips in the history of the universe.
Apparently.
Deity stem. Seat post.
Yes.
Oh! Homemade seat clamp.
Oh, you cut it off. That,
It was out here and
That wa-
ate my leg.
that was a death bolt.
Yeah.
I do say I love your hubs and your
Yeah.
yeah,
Close up. That's so clean. Oh! Superstar something chain ring.
Yeah, you copied me.
No, I didn't. It's a different kind of superstar.
And it's
I
bent.
don't care.
It's not bent. It's just BMX
Not as in
swag.
gay, as in bent properly.
It's just BMX swag. Get over it.
And you got a red bit on your headset.
Oh,
And a sticker.
the gusset head lock.
No, I say best bit of the bike.
Pink lady.
Pink
That's
lady.
been on there for so long.
Since our first
I just
episode.
killed a fly which was biting into my skin. Fuck you. That almost repeated the last episode.
Fucking dickhead!
We're trying to get out of the way. Ready for the next episode. Hey, hey, hey. Smoke weed every day. Ow!
You're all knobs.
Fucking dickhead.
Fucking deckhand. My shoes were wet and I had to use these ones. They are nice. They are new and now they are dirty.
They're shit. There's no Primark ones.
I don't know.
What have
Probably.
you done to Lens? I don't want to wipe it on you, you kill me. Wait, I'm loving your. Can I see your attempt to go in bed there?
It's all spotty.
Look at
No.
It's all spotty.
Oh, yeah. Beard friends.
We're getting into this hovel of a car. We're going to sit on this poor little ginger. Oh, my goodness.
I'm slightly excited now.
Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Yes.
Bring your head out the window.
Banter. Bye bye, Lightning